So if you watched the video on Java data types, you know that you can convert from one data type to another, but how do you convert from a string to an integer? We're going to cover this now. So in this simple program, I've got two integer values, a and b, and I'm just going to system out print line a plus b. So if I just run this program, we get the value 3. But what if these values were strings? So if a was a string 1 and b was a string 2, so to define them as strings I'm putting them in quotes. Now if we system out print line a plus b, we get 12 because we're getting the string 1 and the string 2 after it. So what I can do is I'm going to call this a string and b string. To convert from a string to an integer, we can use the integer static method value of. So what I can say is int a equals integer dot value of. That's capital I because we're calling the integer class and the static method value of a str. And now just for this program I'll do the same to b. So integer value of b str. Now when we run a plus b equals 3 again. So we've taken the strings a string and b string, converted them to integer. We can also do a similar thing with other class. So if you want to go to a double, you do double value of, float value of, and this sort of thing. If we have a value which can't be converted, for example I'm going to turn a string into a1, then when we run it we'll get an exception, a number format exception. So before doing anything like this, it would be a good idea to bear in mind that it might go wrong and replace it with a try catch and deal with the exception if it didn't work. So I'm just going to print it didn't work. So we run that and it didn't work. If we want to convert from an integer back to a string, we can just do string value of. So that's how to convert from strings to numbers and back again. So thanks for watching.